park and I'm just spending some time here, you know, in nature. I love spending time in nature. It just makes me feel good. And this park, it's really nice to see people doing like different activities. Like down there, you see people using the gym kind of stuff, people in the playground. Yeah, people over there doing boxing, and then it's nice and you know, it's good energy, it's good vibe. You can hear the wind, the leaves, the birds. Yeah, it's very calming to me and I really love it. So I'm gonna sit here for a while. I did bring like a little book to read and you know my journal if you want to write anything down. And I got like a coffee at my local coffee shop. I'm finished that anyway. It's really good. I love this coffee shop. They have really good chai lattes. So I picked up one from them and I also picked up something for breakfast as well. I forgot the extension for my tripod, so I'm gonna try and set you guys up maybe in the coffee cup. That's not a good idea, is it? Nah, that's not a good idea. But anyways, I picked up something to eat for breakfast because I haven't had breakfast. I was meant to go to the gym and I was like, you know what? I really feel like spending some time in nature this morning. So let me just come to the gym this morning and then I'll go grocery shopping, and then depending on what I'm doing, then I will just go to the gym in the afternoon. But I just really wanted to spend some time out. I stopped at Holland & Barrett as well, and I just got my multivitamin. They have like a promo where they do buy one and then get the second one half off. So I ended up getting two just in case, you know, save some money. I don't need to buy any more next month because this is just 30 days, so that's good. But anyways, for breakfast I ended up getting just a chicken club sandwich. I also got some flaming hot crisps, and I got some juice. This one is mango machine, so it has apple, mango, orange and turmeric inside of it. So that should be good as well. And yeah, that's all I picked up from the shop. So I'm gonna sit down and just eat my breakfast and chill for a little bit. He's so calm and peaceful. It's definitely worth coming here. I try to come here when I have the time, mainly on the weekends though. But yeah, I am going to head to the hair shop. I was meant to go to the hair shop the other day, but I didn't get to go, so I'm gonna go to the hair shop and see if I can get some natural hair shampoo and conditioner. I already have shampoo and conditioner, but they're not really for natural hair, and I just want to try and get the best product for my hair as possible. I know I always have my hair in like protective styling, and that really helps it to grow a lot, but whenever I am not wearing protective styling, I just want to give my hair the best, pretty much. I am back inside and I went to pick up some hair stuff, which I'm going to show you guys, and I picked up some grocery. I just left my grocery in the kitchen. I'm going to pack them out when I'm finished. When I'm done relaxing, I'm going to pack out those grocery and I'm going to show you guys what I got. I didn't pick up like a lot of stuff. I pick up just like a few little bits that I think I need for the week. Like I said, I already have like some main bits, so I already have chicken and stuff, so I'm going to be cooking that today. I didn't get any browning though. I'm going to get the browning. I'm going to get no scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm going to have to see if I can probably go back to the shop. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from the hair shop. My bill came up to about 20-something pounds. It's so annoying that black hair products are so expensive. Like literally so expensive. Like every other hair product you can get for like £2, £1, £3, but black hair products, so pricey, and I don't like that. I don't like that for us. But anyways, I'm not gonna take down my hair today as well. I'm probably gonna take it down next week, and I'm gonna show you guys a wash day routine. I have one on my channel already, I think, but I'm gonna do like an updated one and show you guys. Take down my braid, wash my hair, and then do like what I normally do after. So the first product that I got is this As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. I was gonna buy the conditioner as well, but then I saw this one and it's a bit bigger for like £2 more extra. So I said maybe I should pick up this conditioner because I do use quite a lot of conditioner. And this one is the Shea Moisture Strength and Restore conditioner. It's Jamaican Black Castor Oil as well. And I was also looking for a leave-in conditioner because I use the leave-in conditioner in As I Am, but that one is finished. So I picked up this one as well. I've never used the brand before. Jackie's Quench. This is their Moisture Intense Leave-in conditioner. So I picked this one up as well. I'm gonna use them and let you guys know what I think. Oh, this one was $4.99. This one was $7.99. And then this one was $10.99. Yeah, I think they're very pricey because you can get conditioner even bigger than this that is not for black hair type for way less money. But anyways, yeah, these are products that I picked up. I think they will be really good. They have pretty good ingredients in them, and they seem to be really good for like our natural hair. So I will let you guys know what I think, and stay tuned for that video that I'm going to do with my wash day routine, because I'll tell you.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I'm currently cooking up some food. It's so nice and bright, you guys can see. I need to pack up my grocery, but I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from the shop. I just picked up some spring onion, some almond milk, some granola bar. I really like to have these ones for breakfast with like yogurt. Really good. And I picked up some juice, which I probably should have put in the fridge ages ago. This one, I got some plum because I've been pulling for these lately, but this one, it's not that ripe the way I like it. I got some tuna because tuna is really good for eat. One day I feel like I don't feel for this no more when I cook, so then I can grab for some tuna, the tuna sandwich or the tuna, and some crackers, and then I pick up like soy sauce because I love sushi, and I can't promise myself that I'm not going to buy any sushi this week, and sometimes they give you the small sachets that's not enough soy sauce for me, so I have to pick up another one. And I just pick up a bottle of water, and that's it. That's all I picked up from the shop, and the bill was like £7 something. And I'm cooking dinner right now. I think I've said I'm cooking. I have tried the concussion right, so I have some vegetables. So I'm steaming some broccoli and carrot, And then I make some prawns. So I'm gonna just put the prawn in the broccoli and carrot and make that as a whole meal, and then we can eat that with rice. And then I'm making some stew chicken, which almost finished cook. Should I write this up? Which almost finished cook, and I'm gonna eat that with some dumplings, and I do some boiled. Should I do rice? I'm gonna do that with some. Yeah, I'm gonna have that with some dumplings, and then I made some corn, so I'm gonna have the corn on the side as well. I am finished cooking. I am so tired right now. I'm literally like here, just kind of straightening up a little bit. I just need to straighten up this table here, kind of give it like a wipe and put up a little bit. I'm so tired, so I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. The only thing left for me to do is take a shower, eat dinner, and just relax for the rest of the evening. It's after 6 now, so yeah, I just need to relax. I'm very tired. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Please ensure that you give it a like, and also let's chat in the comment section below. Bye.